Hi, I'm Philipp and I work in tech sales at Franke. Today I'm introducing our linear guide. How are these constructed and what are their advantages? The basic principle of construction involves an aluminum body with 8 rollers, which are supported by either needles or balls and can be made from steel or stainless steel materials. A major advantage is the maintenance-free feature. This is achieved through special cover plates that seal the rollers on both sides. The rollers are positioned in an O arrangement. This arrangement enables us to guarantee that both tensile and compressive loads from all directions can be accommodated. Another characteristic is the groove in our roller. With this, we are able to achieve a highly smooth and quiet operation. Furthermore, our cassettes as well as rail profiles are customizable according to customer specifications and can be modified to meet your needs.